Integrate the given function with respect to x. This is integration by parts. Integral u dv equals u times v minus the integral v du. Here, u equals x and v equals 2 to the power of x dx. This implies that du equals dx and integral dv equals integral 2 to the power of x dx. Let y equals 2 to the power of x. Take natural logarithm of both sides of the equation. Ln y equals ln 2 to the power of x. Find the derivative of the equation. dy over y equals ln 2 times dx. Make y the subject of the formula. Y equals dy over ln 2 times dx. This implies that y equals 2 to the power of x equals dy over ln 2 times dx. Substitute it in the integral dv equals integral 2 to the power of x dx. This implies that integral dv equals y over ln 2 plus c, the constant term. Ignore the constant term c at this time, so that integral dv equals y over ln 2. But y equals 2 to the power of x. This implies that integral dv equals 2 to the power of x divided by ln 2. Now, let us return to integral 2 to the power of x times x dx. Using integration by parts, as shown on the screen. This implies that integral 2 to the power of x times x dx equals the product of x and 2 to the power of x divided by ln 2 minus 2 to the power of x divided by the square of ln 2 plus k. K is the constant term. After simplification. Therefore, the correct option is D.